The next concept is types of expressions. Types of expressions. So first one is monomial. First one is monomial. So what is the definition of monomial? The expression. So the expression which contains only one term, is called as monomial. Mono means one, isn't it? Mono means one. That means the expression that contains only one term is called as monomial. The expression that contains only one term. For example, 3xy, 5ab, 8a square b. So these are only one terms of them. So these are monomial. That means the expression that contains only one term is called as monomial. So second one. So this is monomial. Second one is binomial. So in the name only bi means two. That means the expression that contains two terms is called as binomial. The expression contains two terms. Two terms means there will be addition, subtraction, isn't it? 5x plus 2y. So here total how many terms are there? Two terms. That means this expression is a binomial expression. Why? Because it contains two terms. Take another one. 8x square y plus 15 e. So this is also binomial. Why? Because it contains two terms. This is one term. This one is another term. So write down your own examples for all these monomial, binomial, terms, factors, expressions, coefficients. Write down your minimum 4 to 5 examples. Okay. So next, third one. Trinomial. Tri means three terms. That's it. The expression which contains three terms is called as trinomial. So example, 3x plus 5y plus 2x square. So these are the three terms, isn't it? So three terms. So take another one. So here also three terms are there. This is one term, this is one term, and this one is one term. So three terms are there. So this expression we call it as a trinomial. So next fourth one. Fourth one is polynomial. Next one is polynomial. So polynomial means that means it contains one or more than one. That means the expression that contains, we may call as a monomial as a polynomial because it contains one term, isn't it? So expression that contains one or more than one. That expression is called as a polynomial expression. So for example 5x square y. So this is also polynomial. This is a monomial. We know that because only one term is there. Still we can call it as a polynomial. So 3a square minus 5b square. This is also polynomial because it contains more than one or more than, here 2 is there. That means more than three terms. So these are the examples for monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. All the monomial, binomial, trinomials are polynomials. Hello, my dear students. Let's move to the exercise 4.1. So first thing, what is the question? Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. So first one, here they given the statement. You should write the expression by using statements. So what is the first one? Subtraction of z from y. So first one, subtraction of z from y. From y means that is the first term. Y is the first term and z is the second term. From y means y should be subtracted. Okay, y minus z. This is the statement. So statement is subtraction of z from y. So expression is y minus z because subtraction of z from y. From means this is the first term, this is the second term. Second one half of the sum of numbers x and y. So second one. So what are they given? One half of the. So one half of the sum of numbers x and y. Sum of numbers x and y. So term is one half of sum of terms x and y. We can write it as x plus y by 2. Otherwise 1 by 2 of x plus y. Okay. Next third one. The number z multiplied by itself. That means see one, the number multiplied the number z multiplied by the number itself. That means multiply z into z. What will get the answer? Z square. Exponential powers. First one. First two a raised to m plus a raised to m into a raised to m. That is a raised to m plus m. So here power is 1 plus 1 2 z square. So next d one. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. So 1/4 of the product of the numbers p q. P into q. So p into q we can write it as 1 by 4 of p q. So we can write it as p into q. Otherwise p q by 4. Why? p q into 1 p q. So 1 by 4 of p q. So next each one. The numbers x and y both square and added. So the numbers x and y both squared and added. So both squared and you should add x square plus y square. Next, the number 5 added to. So the number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Number 5 added to 3 times of product of m into n. So how to write this one? 5 plus 3 m n. m n means 3 into m into n. Okay, that's the product of 3 m n. So next, the product of numbers y and z. The product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So that means this is the first term 10 because from they given from 10. So what we have to subtract? Product of numbers y and z. Y and z. This is the product, isn't it? Y z. So 10 minus y z. So then last one, the first mean sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So their product, what they given the variables a b. So this is the product. What we have to subtract? Sum of numbers a plus b. ab minus of a plus b. So this is the expression. They given the statement, write down the expression. Okay. So second thing, identify the terms and their factors in the following expression terms. Total how many terms are there? 3 terms. This is trinomial or polynomial. Okay. So what about factors? Factors for 1 only. Factors of x and 1. Factors of x square. How to write x square? X into x, isn't it? X square as x into x. So next, I will take deep one. So what is that? 5xy square plus 7x square y. Okay. So total how many terms are there? 2 terms, isn't it? So terms are 5x y square, 1 term, 7x square y. This is another term. Okay. So next, write down the factors by using tree diagram. Okay. So 5x square, xy square, sorry, 5xy square. How to write this one? So first 5 as this, x as this, y square, y and 1. That's it. Very simple. So next 7x square y. How to write this? First 7x square, x y. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Remaining 2 questions I will explain 3 questions. No? Just try it yourself. Remaining 2 questions just get seat one and each one. Otherwise I will explain each one also. Okay. Because sign is there. Minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Okay, so first terms. So terms are minus ab. You should take the sign also. Here sign is there. If there is no sign, means plus sign will be there. So minus ab. Next 2b square and minus 3a square. Okay. So next. Factors. So for minus ab, so how to write this one? So here minus is there. So minus 1. If you multiply 1 to ab, you get the same number. So minus 1 a and b. Okay. If there is no number, means 1. You should take it as 1. So minus 1 a b. So next 2b square, 2b and b, and last one minus 3a square. Here number is there, take it as minus 3a. Otherwise you can take as 3 minus 1 also. Okay, both are same, minus 3a. So these are terms and factors. Only one question balance. Try to yourself. So second one also same. Just identify the terms and factors, but don't use the tree diagram. So how to write this one? So first simple as this. Terms are minus 4x and 5. Okay. So factors. So factors are just simple minus 4x and 5. That's it. Don't use the tree diagram. So this is first one. So take it second one, minus 4x plus 5y. So terms are minus 4x and 5y. So factors. So minus 4x, isn't it? Minus 4x, 5y. So these are the factors. Just try to yourself. Remaining questions are there. You know how to identify the terms and factors. Try to yourself. Second, complete total remaining 6 questions are there. Try to yourself. So next, third one. So what is that question? Identify the numerical coefficients of the numerical coefficients other than constants in the following expression. Other than constants means here the number belongs. So first one, here 5 minus 3 t square. Okay, so here we should identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constant. So here this one is constant, isn't it? So this one is constant. So don't consider this one. Just consider the variables. So variable of numerical coefficient is 3, isn't it? So here 3 is a numerical coefficient. So what is that answer? First one, numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is not only 3, sign is there, minus 3. Okay, minus 3. So take another one. I will take third one. X 2x plus 3y. Okay, so numerical coefficient of x 1. So if there is no number means 1 will be there. So coefficient of x here 2. Numerical coefficient of this x is 2. So numerical coefficient of y, that is 3. Okay, right like this. So next I will take it as a fifth one, minus t square q square plus 7p cube. Okay, so here numerical coefficient, isn't it? Numerical coefficient of p square q square is minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1. So what about p cube? That is 7. Numerical coefficient of p cube is 7. Write like this.